Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the pump outlet seal in a Kenmore dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we need a Torx 15 screwdriver and a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new pump outlet seal. The pump outlet seal provides a watertight barrier between the pump outlet and the pump housing. The main reason why the pump outlet seal would need to be replaced is if it breaks, causing low water pressure out of the spray arms and as a result, dirty dishes. To get to the part, we need to open the door. Pull out the lower dish rack. Unscrew the spray arm nut, turning it counterclockwise, and remove it. Pull up and remove the lower spray arm. Remove the bearing. Remove the spray arm bearing. Remove the 8 Torx 15 screws from the top of the outlet. Pull the outlet to disconnect it from the supply tube. Using the flat blade screwdriver, remove the seal from the connector. Wash it using a soap and a sponge. Using the flat blade screwdriver, remove the old pump outlet seal. Clean the seat. You can use a sponge or the screwdriver. This is the old pump outlet seal next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the new pump outlet seal in the groove in the pump housing. Place the smaller seal in the groove at the end of the supply tube connector of the pump outlet. Insert the outlet pump connector into the supply tube as far as it would go. Align the holes and secure it with the 8 Torx 15 screws. Install the spray arm bearing and the spray arm. Secure it with a spray arm nut by turning it clockwise. Make sure the spray arm rotates freely. Slide the lower dish rack in. Close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.